Okay, sir, hello. Have a good day. Sir Jun Alejo is here with us today with his team, Sir Jalil. And Sir Norman. Okay, sir, ito si Sir Jun Alejo, our very own. First of all, sir, thank you for rendering your services sa community dito sa Tuba Country.
Thank you for the warm welcome.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you encourage yung mga taga-country Cannon Road na to have a training, ganun, sir? Ng first aid?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for that question. Actually, we cannot force, or we could not really encourage the tattao, that the community, the country. The thing is, they need to encourage themselves nga kailangan na dating training, dating first aid trainings. Kasi, tanungin nila ang sarili nila. What if may mangyari sa bahay nila? Or what if may mangyari sa kasama nila sa bahay?
Yes, sir.
Mga anak na, gulang nila, their partner in life. No, dati mangyari ka na kuwada, they need to ask themselves, no, ready na ba? No, mo dapat ka taranggitin na? And for that question, they need to ask themselves, no, mo dapat ka taranggitin na? That's why, ang pwede naman namin gawin is ilapit natin yung training sa kanila para kahit pa paano is may access sila sa trainings ng mga ganito. Ayan. Actually, sa mga trainings na ganito, you need to have a fund, you need to have a lot of requests, tapos magrantan. But with this, in partnership with the barangay, ngayon, we go to the communities, tapos i-share the knowledge kita na story. On the other hand,
yes, sir,
nagadayo ti hospital tayo. Ang minsan, ang nasa isip natin, itakbo natin sa hospital yung mga na-aksidente, nasugatan, walang pulso, and hindi natin alam na meron tayong pwedeng gawin para madugtungan yung buhay ng mga mahal natin sa buhay. Yan siya. That's why we really encourage, together with the municipal LGU, the barangay LGUs, and other responsible. We encourage talagang palakasin sana yung first aid training or knowledge ng mga community sa mga barangay o sa kanya-kanyang bahay.
Thank you very much, sir. Kas lang ay sinurwanda kami ng about first aid. So, ti kaibahan nga, ang kami nag-training, kas lang ay awanti, medyo basit amuming, hindi nag-training kami, parang naging bold kami na maging rescuers, ganun, mag-save ng lives ng kasama sa community. So, importante itong ginagawa nyo, sir, na iparating dito sa aming community ang about sa first aid, sir. So, sir, we hope to see you soon and to continue your passion to help the community. Okay, thank you, sir.
Tulungan nyo rin kami. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Mga ganun. That's why sabi namin, yun. Salamat and see you around. Tulungan nyo rin kami mag-conduct ng trainings.
Okay, sir.
Kasi sabi natin, mahirap makialam kung walang alam.
Yes, sir. It's true. Parang kanina.
Ayan. So, the more you practice, the more you know something sa responde, mas nagiging brave ka, mas nagiging kampante ka sa pag-responde.
It's true, sir. So, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Say hello. Hello, sir. Hello, Sir Norman. Thank you for coming na magturo ng first aid.
Practice da.
Sige, sir. Ay, ag-training ti ko.
Ag-adal.
Ay, win.
Ag-adal ti first aid training.
Thank you, sir. Norman, ti panangisurong. Kinyami dito, country.